welcome back to my video. So that face was from here. He's there, so ugly. Aaron, come on! Reset! Just reset, bro. Reset. Just... Okay. Wait lang, patay muna. Okay. Okay, never mind. Bakit kasi? Blue. Blue ako blue. O, dito ka. Ay, namatay ako. Wait lang, wag ka patay ulit Ay, kalimutan ko wala mag-press yung ano. Wait lang wag ka muna mamatay. Oh.
Ang init. Oh.
Malapit ka na, no? Okay, let's go na finally. Morphs. Ayun, halika na. Ano to? Sige lang, mag-teamwork lang tayo. Mag-teamwork lang kayo. Kailangan sabay, kailangan sabay. Ako na lang kaya. Wait lang, kuha na lang ako ng bola. Ay, never mind. Oh, no. Oh! Okay, thank you, girl. Aaron, tulong. Ay. Huwag ka ulit umalis, Blue. Orange. Blue. Ay! Meron isa pa nag-click. Hayaan na lang natin sila. At 2-player lang to. Halika. Ikaw muna. Yellow. Purple. Good. Now let's go to the green. So yung kailangan natin gagawin dito, mag-spam jump. Ako na lang yung mag-spam jump Okay. Spam jump ka. Spam jump. Okay, ako naman yung spam jump. Sabi ka ng next, okay? Nakit. Oh my God! Halika, i-fight natin siya. Parang ini-explode. Oh no! The dummy bears. Me too. Come on. Nag-fling. Super mega launcher. 3,000. Are you kidding me? 3,000? Oh my God! Sa akin, malapit na. We did it. Now let's take this flight. Escape. Yay! Gamer. What? How does... Uy! So, galing pala yan dito. Tingnan ninyo. Alive pa sila. Server top times. Alam ko na nga. Our new game, Team Dentist Run. No. We are. Oh, fine. I'm just gonna join you, okay? because it might not work when I join in. Okay guys, we're now loading. What is that face? What kind of face is that? Ang pangit. Ang pangit talaga yung ano. Wait lang ah. Nasa start ako. Sa start ako. Ayan, nakita na kita. Halika na.
Naglalaro.
Dito, dito. Dito. Kailangan mag-press yung button. Na-press mo na yung button pag wala ako? Hindi ko alam kung paano mag-speedrun. I'm helping the boys. At orange. Wait lang, dyan ka lang ah. Yeah, I died. What the man? That I don't know. Blue. Whose teeth is this? Click the red button. Exit. Mag-brush ka na lang kaya ng teeth. Di ba yung This is like a school.
Hello.
It's green. It's green. Saan ka na, Iron? Yeah, I'm following you. Hinihintay kita eh. Saan ka? Abud. Wait lang ah. Punta ako kasi dito. You need to wait for me, bro. Blue. Wag ka muna umalis dyan. Pag sinabi ko na red, pwede na. Red. Ganyan. Halika na, hindi dyan. Meron dito. Ay, never mind. Okay, good. You're doing good. I'm trolling the guy. Not you, Aaron. Acid. Dito, Aaron. Green.
Habang wala pa.
Walang computer, ganito ko oras o ito. Dapat
Hindi, sabi ko lagi.
Good. Wait lang ah. Green. Pwede mo ko na lang hintayin. Pag sinabi ko na next kulay na, okay? Next. Next. Good. Pag kailangan natin mag-press yung buttons at tapos na sabi natin good, okay? What is this? Are these his patients? Oh, we're not supposed to be seen. I know it. So we're not supposed to be seen.
Close mo yung door na, close.
Oh no! No, I touched him. I touched him. Yeah, I touched him. So when you touch him, you get jump scared. Just wait a minute. Okay, I'm here. Let's just be over here. Bakit kasi Wait lang ah, hintay mo ako lang sa rope kasi merong rope. Oh yeah. Come on, let's go together. Bigla ko naman mag-touch. Yes. I'll be right back, Aaron. I'm just gonna see if my sister closed the door. Aaron, wait for me, okay? Nakasara. Nasara ni Zoe. Bakit kasi andito yung helmet ni Daddy? Okay, andito na ako. Saan ka na? Wait a minute, because of course I went the wrong way. Okay, I'm here. Now what is this? Is this P? I think we're... Oh, this is a race. Aaron, I fell. Wait for me. Because I almost broke my necks. Pag natapos mo na, hintay mo ako ah. Nice. Okay. Wait for me. Did you fail? I saw you fell. What? Did you just fell? And now I fell too. This game is like so fun. I kind of like it anyways, but I don't like it. Aaron just screamed without yelling. How many times did you die in here? Did you hear him scream? Because we're on a call and this is not literally a real meeting.
Shut the door.
Kinakain ka tuloy ni Zoe.
Ano naman?
I'm not angry of one. Come on, Gianna. Who's Gianna? Aaron, hintay mo ako naman. Hintay mo ako sa sa toothbrush. Ako, pag nasa toothbrush na ako, hintay na lang kita. Okay. Okay guys, maybe that's the end of the video. Me and Aaron are gonna play another game. So, bye guys!